Well, January is National Blood Donor Month, and it turns out the world's first blood bank started right here in Chicago. Cook County Hospital opened the first blood bank 86 years ago. Joining us now live via Zoom is Dr. Claudia Fegan, the Chief Medical Officer of Cook County Health. Doctor, thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning to you. So first of all, tell us a bit how the world's first blood bank ended up in Cook County. What's the history behind that?
Yes, so Bernard Fantis, who was actually born in Budapest, had come to Chicago, and he liked the idea of saving blood in a bank. And so he coined the word blood bank, that we would save blood, we would bank it, and then it would be available to withdraw. Prior to that, if you were going to do a transfusion, the person had to be immediately available. So sometimes when someone needed a surgery, there was a frantic search to find someone with the correct blood type who could be used as a donor. But the idea of saving the blood, preserving the blood in a bank where it would be available when it was needed, had a dramatic change in the way in which we practice medicine around the world, actually. So by creating the blood bank, and he did it was only like about $1,500, maybe the equivalent of $25,000 today. We went from using the year before the blood bank opened, we had 649 transfusions, and the year after the blood bank opened, we used over 1,300 units of blood. Today, we use at Cook County, we use over 12,000 units of blood annually. So it's been invaluable. It makes it a much safer procedure. We are able to schedule surgeries where we know people will need blood. We use it for patients with cancer or hematologic disorders. It's just, medicine has changed so dramatically and has become so much safer that we take blood banks for granted today.
And Dr. Fegan, this is Blood Donor Month in January. Can you just hit again on how important it is to have blood donations and to have people come donate, particularly post-pandemic when a lot of those supplies were down, correct?
Right. People were afraid to come out, and I can't tell you how vitally important it is. None of us knows when at some point something will happen and we need blood. You know, sometimes women in childbirth will have an emergency and need blood. People who are normally healthy have an automobile accident, and just having that blood available is so urgent. And all of us can donate. I take pride that I have a 3-gallon pen for donating blood. I encourage my children, I encourage everyone to donate blood, because it will be there for you, your neighbors, your friends, and family when we need it. It has literally revolutionized the practice of medicine around the world. So we're proud that the first blood bank was here, but we need people to give. And in these winter months when it's nasty outside, people often don't want to go out and do it, but we need it now more than ever.
And it's pretty quick and easy. It doesn't take very long.
It is very easy. You would not believe how quickly you can do. You could be in and out in 15 minutes. So, wow. And it's painless. People say, "Oh, I'm afraid of needles."
Right.
We do it so easily now.
Well, again, we always keep reminding people, even when it's not Blood Donor Month, it's so important to give blood and donate because it's so very necessary. Dr. Claudia Fegan, Chief Medical Officer of Cook County Health, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.